Hello everyone, today I will show you how to unlink the email from your TikTok account. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to TikTok. Click on the three bars at the top right next to the feed icon. And then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account. Click on Account Information. And then here you can see the current email that is connecting to this account. If you want to unlink it, you can click on the email. So it will give you the option to unlink email. Click on Unlink Email. And then once you are happy with the changes, you can click on Remove to remove the email from this TikTok account. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.